we have to rely on our systems because public safety relies on us. We use Veeam because it is very intuitive, it's reliable and fast. I'm Edwin Moraal. I'm the CISO and also the ICT advisor. We are a safety company in the Netherlands and we manage fire departments and also a bit of healthcare. We have 56 fire departments spread over our region. And so if there is an issue like a fire, but also maybe a plane crash on a highway or something, then we come in action and we coordinate the fire department, the police, etc. It's public safety. It's important to be protected because every second counts in our organization. We are in a critical mission, so if we have data to use to read, it has to respond fast. We have experience with ransom attack. It's a different kind of attack. We came in a situation that we can manage the fire departments, but our environment for normal operate, email, etc. was down. So we came in a restore process. I googled Veeam account manager. I called him, explained the issue, and they came to us and they helped us. So if you are not even a customer, they come and they help you. The VNOG is now a lot faster, more reliable. You can restore jobs in some clicks and it is back again. We have a new strategy. We are now on the 3-2-1-1-0 rule. 3 backups on 2 different media and 1 offline and 1 mutable. But the 0 is to restore with 0 faults. So Veeam, in our opinion, is the best product for it. The best advice I can give is backup is the holy grail if you want to get out a startup from nothing. So having a good backup solution is very, very important. So that's why we choose Veeam.